all traditional forms of self-defense, it's usually around physical skills. There will be a very strong-looking man and usually assisted by strong-looking women who come and tell you कि बाल पकड़ेगा तो क्या करोगे, and then if you say कि हम ऐसे मारेंगे, then they will say नहीं ऐसे नहीं मारना है, ऐसे मारना है, हम तुम्हें बताएंगे कैसे मारना है. This idea that self-defense can be prescriptive, that there is only one defense to one form of attack, that idea is very, very unlikely. So what we do at Mukamar is to be able to decode what self-defense is and to be able to decode it in a manner that actually works. There is one primary intervention that we have, which is called the Mukamar Girls Program, which currently is run across Mumbai and Delhi. Every girl in grade 6th, 7th and 8th will get 2 Mukamar classes every week, and that will happen for a period of 3 years. There are several parts to it, right? One is the knowledge component, which is myth busting. The idea that, some strangers will pounce at you with guns. That idea is very, very unlikely, because even the latest NCRB reports talks yet again about the fact that 97% of the times these assaults are done by people who are known to the victim. The second component is skills. What am I going to do when this happens? So I can run, I can bite, I can look dangerous. So some of our techniques have fun names like Tamasha Banao, which basically means just like call people and like create a ruckus, and girls are always told ki tamasha mat banao, and that is part of the problem. So what we do is the whole idea that you need to seek help, and the practice of it in a simulation is important. The third is a psychological approach. So what we are doing with measuring courage, confidence and resilience is measuring it in the context of gender-based violence. How many times are they willing to say कि मैंने बोला मत करो मतलब मत करो? That's resilience. We have found that 1 out of 2 girls says that she has used some form of self-defense to keep herself safe. Mothers saying कि मुझे मार्केट जाना होता है तो अब मैं इसको लेके जाती हूँ क्योंकि ये मेरा ध्यान रख सकती है. और मदर्स सेइंग कि अब इसके पापा घर पे आते हैं और मारपीट करते हैं तो ये मेरे लिए आवाज़ उठाती है और ये उनको रोक देती है. और चिल्ड्रन कमिंग एंड रजिस्टरिंग डोमेस्टिक वायलेंस कंप्लेंट्स विद अस, which must have existed for a long time. So all of these are also ripple effects of how such an intervention can be very, very powerful.